早晨，每一日都係一個人生嘅舞台，而呢個今日咧，美麗個總統Trump同埋南非總統就要喺國際嘅舞台上面表演一輪嘅唇槍舌劍。咁我哋聽下佢哋嘅題目講乜嘢啦。
President Trump's Oval Office confrontation with the president of South Africa, where Trump made false claims about a genocide against white farmers in that country. Chief White House correspondent Mary Bruce has the story. Good morning, Mary.
Good morning, George. Well, this really was a stunning scene in the Oval Office. In a confrontation produced for the cameras, President Trump lecturing the South African president and spreading those unproven claims of genocide. This morning, fallout from that Oval Office ambush. President Trump amplifying false claims that South Africa is engaged in genocide against white farmers. South Africa's President Cyril Ramaphosa came to the White House hoping for a fresh start.
We want to advance more trade between the two of us.
But President Trump had other plans.
They say there's a lot of bad things going on in Africa, and that's what we're going to be discussing today.
Trump determined to highlight those false claims that white South African farmers are being racially persecuted, claims that have also been pushed by Elon Musk, a native of South Africa. Despite banning nearly all refugees coming to the U.S., the Trump administration now making an exception for white South Africans, a plane load arriving in the U.S. just last week. The administration still cutting all aid to South Africa.
We have had a tremendous number of people, especially since they've seen this. Generally, they're white farmers, and they're fleeing South Africa.
Asked what it would take to convince him there is no genocide, President Ramaphosa jumping in.
It will take President Trump listening to the voices of South Africans, some of whom are his good friends.
But Trump digging in with the cameras rolling, dimming the lights.
You turn the lights down.
Showing what he claims is evidence, including video of an extremist South African politician calling for violence against white farmers.
嗱，呢一度咧就係我想講嘅，呢個美麗國總統啦，Trump咧有證據，有埋 video 講白人嘅 farmer 就會有被槍殺，同埋有埋好多 document 嘅。咁而呢一個嘅係真事嚟嘅，咁呢件事情咧係令到人係傷感，所以咧如果你佢有呢個 story 出現，咁你同一個 Trump 係有關係，咁 Trump 咧就會用佢嘅 power 咧去將呢個伸張正義，為一啲嘅受害者而呢個嘅令到佢平反。但係站喺一個嘅 overall 立場睇咧，南非總統嚟講咧，就係白人嘅農夫係佔咗7成嘅，而呢一個嘅呢個犯罪案咧，就係 overall 嚟講，全部都會黑人嘅農夫都會受害，而受害大多數咧都係黑人農夫嚟嘅。咁站喺南非總統大體嚟睇，佢又見唔到有呢個 systematic 嘅呢個種族歧視嘅問題。但係如果你站喺白人農夫嚟睇咧，你又覺得哇，呢度隔離鄰舍都係白人，都係被呢個槍殺喎。咁你覺得咧，你自己咧就係被種族歧視嘅。咁啊，再聽下公說公有理，婆說婆有理呢種戲劇嘅舞台。
Trump also holding up a stack of articles he says proves it's happening. But Ramaphosa adamant the views in the video do not represent his government.
Our government policy is completely against what he was saying.
Major political parties in South Africa and a South African judge agree, denying the existence of a white genocide in their country. South Africa does have a crime problem, and statistics show farmers are being murdered, but there is no evidence it is racially motivated or amounts to genocide. White farmers make up only 7% of the country, but own the vast majority of its farmland. Ramaphosa saying most of the victims of crime are black.
There is criminality in our country. People who do get killed, unfortunately, through criminal activity are not only white people. Majority of them are black people.
Trying to ease the tension, South Africa's president then joking he wishes he could be like the nation of Qatar and gift Trump a luxury jet.
I'm sorry, I don't have a plane to give you.
I wish you did. I take it. I would take it.
嗱，咁咧就係講翻呢個嘅 story 啦。我覺得咧喺呢個人生嘅舞台嗰度咧，我哋睇到呢個嘅美麗國總統嘅侵同埋南非總統嘅舞台嘅時候咧，俾我感覺到咧家庭就好似一個舞台咁樣。有時候咧，我哋家庭有衝突，公説公有理，婆説婆有理。如果大家都唔去了解互相之間嘅觀點同埋去體諒嘅時候咧，咁就會變成家庭嘅糾紛不和諧。我覺得人生咧就應該係正面積極去睇嘢嘅。耶穌基督嘅福音咧叫我哋咧係去正面積極去睇嘢，同埋去主動去reach out， 即係話 connect 同其他人 connect。當我哋 connect 嘅時候咧，我哋從人哋嘅觀點去睇，了解其他人嘅睇法。咁唔好時時站喺一個負面嘅角度去睇人生。人係自然人，自然人係自然人啦，快讀嘅就係自然人。但係同一時間咧，人咧都會大多數嘅人咧都會向好嘅。咁我哋從向好嘅觀點正面睇嘢，咁我覺得咧令到我哋人生咧係更加快樂開心。但係要針對住要承認我哋人生係有唔好嘅地方嘅。